Oh my God, guys. Nakita nyo na ba yung bagong speech ni Barsaga? Grabe. Hinihikayat niya ang people of Visayas and Mindanao not to pay taxes. At worst, hinihikayat niyang tumiwalag sila sa Republic of the Philippines at magtayo ng sariling gobyerno. Malinaw na malinaw, inciting to sedition yan. Under Article 142 of the Revised Penal Code, inciting to sedition happens when someone publicly incites others to rise or act against the lawful authorities through speeches, writing, or other means with the goal of preventing the execution of the laws, creating hatred or contempt against the government, and steering people to disobey lawful authorities. Pag sinabihan mo ang mga tao na huwag magbayad ng buwis, you're telling them to defy the law and the government's authority. At pag sinabihan mo silang tumiwalag sa republika at gumawa ng sariling gobyerno, you are urging rebellion against the state's sovereignty. At kung titignan mo ang mga comments, grabe, may mga taong sumasang-ayon at sumusuporta sa panawagan niya. That's how sedition spreads, through reckless words that provoke collective defiance. You know, we've been treating this guy as a joke. Pero hindi na ito nakakatawa. Kapag ang pahayag mo ay humihikayat sa pagtiwalag sa republika at hindi pagsunod sa batas, delikado na yan at dapat kasuhan na yan at parusahan.